Hey folks, welcome back to our travel guide series. Planning a trip to Palma, Mallorca, and want to get around the city without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. Let me introduce you to EMT buses, the city's efficient and budget-friendly public transportation system. EMT stands for Empresa Municipal de Transporte, and these buses are your ticket to exploring Palma like a local. Whether you're a tourist or a resident, these buses are designed to make your travel experience smooth and hassle-free. With approximately 862 buses covering 40 different routes, EMT buses make it super easy to get around the city. No matter where you need to go, there's likely an EMT bus route that can take you there. Some of the major connection points you'll want to know are Plaza España, Sindicat, Progress, and of course Palma City Center. These hubs are strategically located to make your transfers between different routes as seamless as possible. These hubs make it really convenient to hop from one bus to another. You can easily plan your journey and switch buses without any hassle. So, what are some key destinations you can reach by EMT bus? The options are plentiful and cater to a variety of needs and interests. Well, if you're flying in, there's a bus that takes you straight from the airport to the city. This is incredibly convenient for travelers who want to avoid the high costs of taxis or car rentals. Need to visit Son Espace Hospital or the Mercat de Pergero? EMT has got you covered. These buses run frequently and can get you to these important locations without any trouble. Heading to the University of the Balearic Islands, known locally as Universitat de les Balears, yep, there's a bus for that too. Students and faculty alike rely on EMT buses for their daily commute. When it comes to payment, you've got a few options. EMT makes it easy to pay for your ride, whether you're a frequent traveler or just taking a one-time trip. You can pay with cash, but make sure to bring smaller notes, ideally less than 20 euros. This helps speed up the boarding process and ensures you get the correct change. If you're planning to use the bus often, consider getting a prepaid card from one of the machines located at selected bus stops. This is a great option for those who want to save time and money. There are also bus cards available for residents, however. They are no services for bank cards in the bus boarding. The bus is straightforward but has a few rules to keep in mind. Knowing these rules will make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. You'll always enter through the front door unless you have special needs. This ensures that the driver can assist you if necessary and helps maintain an orderly boarding process. And you usually disembark using the middle or rear doors unless the bus is full and you can't reach them. This helps keep the flow of passengers moving smoothly. Oh, and a quick heads up, eating is not allowed on the bus. This rule helps keep the buses clean and pleasant for everyone. Keep those snacks tucked away until you get off. It's a small rule, but it makes a big difference in maintaining a clean environment, so there you have it. EMT buses are a fantastic way to explore Palma efficiently and affordably. Whether you're a tourist looking to see the sights or a local going about your daily routine, these buses are a reliable option. Whether you're heading to major landmarks or just want to soak in the local vibe, these buses make it easy. You can sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride while taking in the beautiful views of Palma. That's all for today, folks. We hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your trip to Palma even more enjoyable. If you found this info helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Happy travels, and see you in the next video.